Tired of websites blocking your scraper? Here's how to keep it running smoothly and get the data you need with IPRoyal's residential proxies. But first, let me show you what happens when you scrape without proxies. Then we'll see how residential proxies solve that problem. To demonstrate, we'll use Octoparse to scrape Yellow Pages using its pre-built Yellow Pages scraper. Let's gather data on marketing agencies in New York. We'll click the Start button and select Standard Mode here to run the task on our device. As you can see, the page doesn't load and no data appears. That's probably because we've already run a few scraping jobs and Yellow Pages has soft blocked our IP. But since there's no clear error message to show what's wrong, the only thing to do now is close the task. Now, let's try again, this time with proxies. Head to the IPRoyal dashboard to configure your residential proxies. The toggle here switches on the high-end pool option, which gives you access to only the fastest IPs in the selected location. We'll use residential proxies from California, United States, with randomized IP rotation, but you can configure your settings as needed. Scroll down and select the number of sessions you need. Any number higher than 1 will work because Octoparse also supports customizable rotation. Click the Copy List button to copy your generated proxy credentials and get back to Octoparse. The setup is exactly the same, only this time we'll add proxies. After clicking the Start button, we'll click on Automation Settings here and select Anti-Blocking from the menu. We'll turn on Access Websites via Proxies, select Use My Own Proxies and click the Configure button next to it. Then we'll paste the IPRoyal proxy credentials into the IP Proxies window and click the Confirm button. Finally, we'll click the Save button to apply the settings and click Standard Mode to start scraping without changing anything else. As you can see, Octoparse now loads the page without issues and starts scraping. If you hide the browser, you can see the data being added in real time. And there you go, Octoparse can now gather all the data we need without interruptions. After a while, Octoparse completes the task and lets us export our data. It even warns us about duplicates, which we will remove. We'll export our data to an Excel sheet, but you can choose any format you prefer. Then we'll click Confirm and open the file to see the results. We now have a sheet with 2,997 marketing agencies in the New York area. Each entry includes the company name, rating, address, phone number, website, email, and other information. That's the power of reliable residential proxies. Authentic IPs, automatic rotation, and precise geotargeting to keep your scraping seamless. With the right proxy setup, you can use any scraping tool to gather data from your target websites efficiently and at scale. If you need reliable residential proxies for smooth, scalable scraping, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design a proxy infrastructure that keeps your workflows seamless and ready to scale.